Hi guys, welcome to our channel ATV Lifestyle. In today's video we're going to be showing you 3 different looks for Christmas. So we're going to be showing you 3 options for eyes and lips. I've already done my base, so let's get started. Okay, so first off I'm going to be starting off with a little bit in eyeshadow in the crease. I'm just using Napoleon Perdis, just like a bronzer, like a brown shade, with a blending brush. This is just to warm up the eyes a little bit. I'm also putting this all over the lid as well, so just to warm it up. Just blend out the crease. So the main focal point for my option is a coloured waterline. So I don't really like to go too heavy on top of the eyes. Sorry, I just had to turn the light on, it's getting a bit too dark. So with my waterline, I'm going to go in with this turquoisey colour first, and then I'm going to go with eyeshadow on top. So I'm just going to line the whole of my bottom line. Now this doesn't have to be neat because we're just going to go on top with the eyeshadow. So now we're going to go in with the eyeshadow, and the star of the show is Mecca's Sugar Cream palette. This is the eye and cheek palette. The shades which I'm going to be using today is this blue shade, which is called Soda, and this silver shade, which is called Iced. So let's get started. With the blue, I'm just going to go in with the pencil brush and just go on top of all of the eyeliner that we just did. Looks like. And then just with another brush, I'm going to pick up Iced and just put that in the inner corner. I'm also going to go in a little bit on the upper, the brow bone. If you think you've put too much on, just grab the blending brush, just blend it out. Now I'm just going to go in with the winged eyeliner, just a thin one. I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise one. I like. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Loreal False Lash Wings Sculpt. Okay, so we're almost done, just got the lips left. I'm going to go in firstly with the Sleek Makeup matte lipstick in nude. This one is in shade Birthday Suit. So this one's a little bit pinky, so I just want to go on with a little bit more of a nude and just mix these colours up. So the second one I'm using is ChiChi and Rose Snap. And then And quickly, I'm just going to go in with just a nude lip liner, just around the edges. And here's the coloured waterline look. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so my base is done. This is pretty much my makeup from work. I just touched it up. So we'll just do the eyes and the lips. So for the base, I'm just using this KKW, or you can use any concealer. Today we're using the Huda Beauty of Mercury Retrogade palette. Look how pretty it is. And this is actually a really simple look. So we are going to go in with the Supermoon. I'm just going to use the buffing brush. And because last time I did this I had a lot of glitter fallout, I'm just going to put this underneath. Just going to go. It's looking sparkly. Okay, and then we're going to go in with the darker one. I'll put all the makeup details in the description below. I'm just going to do this in the crease. Now, just any generic black eyeliner to tightline the bottom. I usually do this before, but I'm just touching up. And then we're going to go in this really pretty one here. For the lash line. So these have really good pigment, so you don't really need to spritz it, but you can spray just to wet it a little bit. Now we're just going to go just with the corner of the brush back in with the original colour to put into the inner corners of the eye. Just like that. It's okay if it mixes a little bit, sort of blends it together. Oof, that's powerful. Now we're going to leave it sort of translucent. I think it looks good that way. Otherwise there's too much going on. Just with the other side, the clean side, or you can use a different brush. You can always take a little bit off. We're going to go with this cosmic pink one. I'm going to go up here.
because this one's not really glittery. It's more metallic, it looks like a highlight. It's just like the perfect highlight. Okay, now for the picture that I uploaded on Instagram, this is pretty much all I did. But if you want to be a little bit extra, you can put eyeliner, which I didn't do, but I'll show you anyway. We're going to be a little bit extra today. But not a thick one, just a thin, very thin one. Because otherwise it's too much, like this is enough. So we're just going half the eye. Other side. I don't know if you can see where I'm going in close, but okay, that looks about even. I'm just going to top up my mascara with the Damn Girl. Now, for the lips, I'm just going to use any nude lip liner just for a base and an outline. You can't even really see this one on me. No, I didn't do this for the original photo, so you don't have to, but I'm just going to do it now to make it easier. So this is not your usual Christmas look. It's a little bit different. I did do a classic Glam one, but I might save that for New Year's Eve. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Requiem. It's a beautiful, like, glittery teal. Okay, now once it's nice and metallic-y, just let that dry for a little bit. And then I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Brilliant. It's a nice shimmery golden pink. We'll put that in the center. And just use your fingers to blend in. And you're gonna wipe off this grain. So, I know gemstones are the trend at the moment. This is good enough, this is more than enough. You don't have to do anything, but I'm gonna be a little bit extra and put these little crystals. So normally you can use eyelash glue. This is stick-on, so I'm not gonna do it at the moment because I'm not really going anywhere, but normally you would use eyelash glue. So I'm going to put this in the inner corners. Okay, I just lost that somewhere. Go in. I think I lost that again. This is a fail, guys, a real fail. Third time's the charm. Oh shit. Why did I do that? Okay, there you have it guys, the finished look. So this is a frosty look, a bit of a frosty glam. Isn't it just sparkly?